Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you my shopping. So today, as you can see, I go to the supermarket to buy some vegetable and fruit and other stuff. So this is the round one, and we have another round in which I have other stuff. So let's start. So as you can see here, I have these bananas, really tasty. I love the bananas. And then here we have apples, green apples. And here we have a particular vegetables in which we have three colors: yellow, purple and green. So here you can see I have this carrot, really tasty, and here I have this vegetable. And guys, this one is really tasty. It's my first time eating and it's so tasty. So here I have this fruit. I don't know what is his name. And so here, if you go there, we have a watermelon. In summer, the watermelon is so tasty. And here we have a pineapple or ananas. And here we have a melon. Very tasty too. Okay guys, so this is round 2, and here we have this bread, 3 packets of bread, and here we have this Coca-Cola. Here we have this ketchup, and here I have these 3 packets of biscuits, and here we have this candy, mint candy, really tasty too. And here we have potato chips, really tasty. I eat before. And here we have this yeast, powder yeast to bake some stuff. And here I have ginger and 2 packets of garlic. So here we have a vegetable, another vegetable, and here we have a sugar, 2 packets of sugar. And this is the last thing. And here we have this cream. You mix it in a bowl and it's a liquid, and then if you mix it, it's like a real cream. So it's really yummy. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like this video, and in the description I have a link of my channel. And this is it for today. Please share this video with your friends. Bye, see you next time.